Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off Samsung keyboard sound. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to sounds and vibration. Tap on system sound. Under system sound, we can find Samsung keyboard. We can see right now Samsung keyboard sound has been disabled. I am going to enable it. We can tap here and enable Samsung keyboard sound. Later, if you want to disable, again come here, then tap here and disable Samsung keyboard sound. So this way we can enable or disable Samsung keyboard sound. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.